So I added on to my alarm system. Yeah, I got two Wheelock AS's up, and I'm gonna test one of them. I'm not gonna pull this pulse station today because it's really hard to reset. But today, I'm gonna be testing this pulse station. Well, it's not exactly a pulse station. It's a switch. So, and I got the Wheelock AS up here, which is under a junction box. You can see the junction box. It's under a rare junction box. Here we go. That's the switch. Now we're going to add on to the other alarm, which I wasn't going to pull. This thing's hard to reset. Okay, so I got the pulse station unhooked. And, yeah, so here we go. Second alarm. So yeah, that's my system. And inside the system, I got new switches hooked up. No, not new switches. New wires hooked up. You can see right there. Things are hot. That's not the right key, but, I don't know. But that's the alarm system. Yeah, so... Oh yeah, and I got a new alarm on my board. It's a Gentex Commander 2. I think that's what it is, a Gentex Commander. That's what it said on the box. I think it's in here. I don't know where the box went, but yeah, so that's the system. That's the system. Yeah.